Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given a line L, which is at the right hand side of this video, cuts the x-axis at point A. So I also have indicated there also already. And also cuts the B y-axis at point B. So I also highlighted it here. Okay, 0, 6. So step 1, part A, find the equation of this line. So since we are given the 2 points, so very first step for me would then be to find the gradient of this line L. Okay, so in this case here, I would then get, so to find gradient, right, I usually like to do this x1, y1, x2, y2. So y1 minus y2, which will be 0, minus 6. And the x1 will be coordinate 2 minus 0. So usually I like to put brackets when I substitute values into a formula so that I will not make careless mistake. This will give me a value of negative 3. And from here, all I have to do is to substitute one of the points into this formula. Y minus y1 equals to m bracket x minus x1, whereby m is my gradient, and in this case here I am going to substitute my x1 and y1 into the formula. I'm going to choose point A. Okay, so you will see me substituting these two with the value. So I will have y minus my y1, in this case will be 0, equals to m is negative 3, times x minus my x1, 2, oops, and continue to simplify. I will have y equals to y minus 0 is y, negative 3 times x will be negative 3x, negative 3 times negative 2, positive 6. And that will be the equation of this line. Okay, now for part B of this question, then we will have to find the coordinates of point C, where the line cuts the line y equals to minus 3. So in this case here, if we focus back on the right hand side of this diagram that I have actually drawn, then you will see that I'm going to draw this line y equals to negative 3, and for this line y equals to negative 3, it cuts the line L at this point here, point C. And so what will be the coordinates of this point C? Well, the x value as I go through is 3. The y value, which is the line y equals to minus 3. So for this particular question, then we would be able to get the coordinates of C easily. That is from the diagram itself. But then if we do not have the diagram, how do we do that? Well, we have this equation, isn't it? And very importantly, we can then see that since the line L cuts the y equals to minus 3 line, this means that this point C, this is an important thing to note, is on the line L. And if it is on the line L, if I know the y coordinate of point C, which is equals to minus 3, which is here lah, then all I have to do, I could also substitute y equals to minus 3 into the equation of the line, y equals to minus 3x plus 6. And therefore, this will then give me my minus 3 equals to negative 3x plus 6. From here, I would be able to get the value of 6. Next line would then see me writing 3x equals to, I add 3x on both sides. I add 3 on both sides, so that eventually I will get my final answer. I divide by 3. I will get my same answer. X is 3, y is negative 3. Okay? With that, we have come to the end of this video. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.